Have you ever wondered how the influx of AI videos on YouTube is reshaping the digital landscape? It's an intriguing phenomenon to observe. The increasing prevalence of these videos is undeniable. They come in various shapes and sizes, from AI-generated animations to sophisticated deepfakes, even tutorials on artificial intelligence itself. The reasons behind their rapid rise are manifold. First, the advancements in AI technology have made it easier than ever to create high-quality videos. Second, the curiosity and fascination surrounding AI have fueled the demand for such content. And third, the potential of AI in automating video production opens a whole new world of possibilities, making content creation more accessible and efficient. But what does this mean for the future of content creation? Well, it's a double-edged sword. On one hand, it can democratize content production, giving everyone the tools to create. On the other hand, it could lead to an oversaturated market with an overwhelming volume of content. As we delve deeper into the comparison between traditional and AI video creation, keep in mind, the internet as we know it is evolving. Remember when making a video meant hours of shooting, editing, and perfecting every detail? The traditional process of creating videos was often an arduous task. It began with conceptualizing an idea, followed by storyboarding the scenes, then moving on to the actual filming. Once the raw footage was in hand, the real magic started. The editing phase, cutting, splicing, arranging, and rearranging to create a seamless narrative. And let's not forget the skills required. From operating complex filming equipment to mastering editing software, it was a world that demanded creativity, technical prowess, and an eye for detail. Despite the laborious process, the personal touch and creativity that traditional video creation allowed for was unparalleled. It was an artistic endeavor where the creator's unique vision could shine through, making each video a distinct piece of art. Traditional video creation has its charm, but it's not without its challenges. Now imagine a world where videos are created not by humans but by artificial intelligence. A fascinating concept, isn't it? This isn't a far-off reality. We're already living in an era where AI is becoming a significant part of video creation. Let's delve into the process of AI video creation. The beauty of this technology lies in its efficiency and consistency. With AI, you can churn out video content at an unprecedented rate. The algorithm learns from thousands of hours of video content, identifies patterns, and uses this knowledge to create new, unique content. Of course, some may argue that there's a lack of human touch in AI-created videos. It's true, a machine doesn't have the same knack for emotional nuances that a human does. But it's also worth noting that AI doesn't tire, doesn't get bored, and doesn't need breaks. It can work round the clock, making it a valuable tool for mass production of content. AI video creation may seem impersonal, but its potential for scalability is undeniable. And as technology continues to advance, who knows? Maybe AI will learn to mimic those human touches we so cherish. The future of video creation is exciting and full of possibilities. So, how does traditional video creation stack up against its AI counterpart? Let's break it down. Traditional video creation is an art. It involves human creativity, intuition, and a touch of unpredictability. It's a process that can take time, but the result is often a masterpiece, rich in emotion and nuance. However, it can also be labor-intensive, expensive, and time-consuming. On the other hand, AI video creation is a marvel of technology. It's efficient, cost-effective, and constantly evolving. With AI, you can produce videos at a pace that would be impossible for a human. And the quality? It's getting better every day, thanks to machine learning. But it's not without its downsides. AI videos can sometimes lack the human touch, the emotional depth that comes from a human creator's mind. So what does the future hold? Well, it's likely to be a blend of both. AI can handle the heavy lifting, while humans add the finishing touches, the heart, and the soul. Whether you prefer the human touch of traditional videos or the efficiency of AI, one thing is clear: the video creation landscape is changing. In the past few minutes, we've journeyed through the evolving world of video creation. We've seen the dawn of a new era with the rise of AI videos, reshaping the landscape of content creation on platforms like YouTube. This shift is not just a technological advancement, but a revolution in how we conceive, design, and deliver visual narratives. We delved into the traditional methods of video creation, a process that requires considerable time, resources, and human effort. From brainstorming concepts to post-production edits, every step is meticulously crafted by the hands of creators. Then we explored the burgeoning field of AI video creation. This approach streamlines the process, leveraging artificial intelligence to automate tasks, analyze data, and generate content. It's a testament to how far we've come in blending creativity and technology. We've also compared the two, highlighting the strengths and weaknesses of each approach. While traditional video creation offers a personal touch, AI video creation provides efficiency and scalability. Neither is inherently superior. They simply offer different tools for different tasks. As we continue to witness the rise of AI videos, one thing is certain: the internet will never be the same again.